Good morning, students. Today we will discuss regarding the community health nursing approaches. So, first of all, when we discuss regarding the community health nursing approaches, the nursing theories, how to apply the nursing theories in community health nursing is compulsory to know. So, community health nursing practice, it is a dynamic nature. It means the community planners already projecting into the future of the community. So for the future of the community, different types of the new things need to apply on the community, and as per the times, as per the needs, as per the demand of the community, we want to change the community infrastructures, community lifestyles, and the behavior pattern of the community members. So community health nursing practice does not occur in isolation, but rather within an environmental context. When we approve a policy for a community, so this type of the policies not work in the isolation, cannot work in the single room. For the community, we will discuss whole members. We will involve the whole members of the community. So community participation is not a isolation. Community participation is a group work. So for that how to define this theory? So nursing theory is an organized and systematic articulation of a set of statements related to questions in the discipline of nursing. It means जो नर्सिंग थ्योरी एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर के अकॉर्डिंग एंड सिस्टमेटिक वे से all the statements, all the work procedures, or all the practicals applied step by step with the discipline process. So different types of the characteristics we will discuss now regarding the theories. So for a useful theory, we make assumptions about behavior, health problems, target population, or environment. These all things are very important for these community health nursing practice work. So different types of the characteristics like this, the logical characteristics, like the consistent with everyday observation. Next one is the similar to those used in previous successful programs and supported by the past research in the same area or related ideas. When we will apply a nursing theory on the community sectors, so all these things are very compulsory logically. It means when we apply the theory, we need to discuss regarding the logics. It is useful to the community, how it is beneficial in the future of the community members. So all these things are come under this. Everyday observation is compulsory for this theory applications. If any successful programs applied previously, then it will also necessary to review these contents, schedules, and which type of the theories they applied previously. And we will take the help all these researchers who already applied the different theories on the community sectors. So these are the main characteristics of the theories. some of the importance of nursing theories. These are the first we will describe, we will discuss, we will explain the aims of the nursing theory, fundamental of the nursing practice, and we help to generate further knowledge and indicate in which direction nursing should develop in the future. And other one important is the first we help and to decide and we know which type of the needs, which type of the demands community have presently. So, and main component of nursing care is also discussed, and all the theories are analyzed, explained, and procedures that what nurse do. It also important for the nursing theory. So all these are the main points for the importance of the nursing theory. Then we will discuss some of others, that this can be seen as an attempt by the nursing profession to maintain its professional boundaries, assist a nurse to describe, explain, predict everyday experience also, and serve to guide assessment also, interventions and evaluation of the nursing case, and it help to establish criteria to measure the quality of nursing care, and it help to build the common nursing terminologies to use in the communicating with other health professionals. Idea are also developed and words defined. These all provide a rational, collecting reliable and valid data about the health status of the client, which are essential for effective decision making and implementations. Where we apply the nursing theories. So in this major settings, so settings for the community health nursing can be grouped into different 6 categories. Number 1, homes. Number 2, ambulatory care setting. Number 3, schools. Number 4, occupational health settings. Number 5, residential institutions. And number 6 is the community at large. So these are the major settings where we will apply the nursing theories. Next one is what is the dimension? What is the major dimension in the nursing theories? These are the distress, the experience of a patient whose need has not been met. Patient behavior may not present the true needs. Nursing actions directly or indirectly applied or provide for the patient for the immediate effect, immediate needs, and observable verbally and non-verbally dimensions. So this type of the theories have the major dimensions. Which type of the theories we use in the community health? These are the Malloy's framework of prevention, Salmons White's construct for the public health nursing, Canadian model, Block and Johnson, ethical theory, population focused nursing, and Nightingale's theory of environment. These are the different types of the theories we use in the community health settings. So we will discuss minor discussion. We will take the different types of the theories. Malloy's framework of preventions. Nancy Malloy, a nurse and leader in the public health policy and public health education, develop a framework for the prevention that include concept of community oriented. So this is the community oriented, population focused. This type of the theory focus on these community orientation and population matters. And behavioral pattern of the population and individual who make up population are result to habitual selection for the limited choice. So Milieu's framework is provide a framework, means a boundary of a community, some of the principles of a community. These principles are depend on the community oriented and population focus. Second one is the Salmon White's construct for the public health nursing. About this theory, Mark Salmon White in 1982, he described that public health as an organized societal efforts to protect, promote, restore the health of the people. So in this, the public health nursing focused on the achieving and maintaining the public health, means totally focus on the health of the publics, how to achieve the health of the public, the health of the individual, and how to maintain the public health. This is the combined work. Mr. Salmona give the three practice priorities. One is the prevention of the disease, poor health, protection against the disease, and external agent and promotion of the health. These are the main important key points in the Salmona White construct for the public health nursing. Third one is the Block and Johnston's ethical theory, population focused nursing. According to this theory, Daryl Block and Levon Johnston, these are the two scientists, public health educators, process this based on intersecting field of the public health and nursing. So they also given the three essential elements of the population. These all are focused on the nursing that stem in the two fields, and obligation to the population and primary work prevention. So these are the different types of the theories we discussed, and tomorrow we will discuss